In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync axes across worksheets in Tableau. If you've ever struggled with aligning charts across multiple sheets, this walkthrough will make things much clearer. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Tableau public app. You can download it from the Tableau website if you don't have it already. Once open, navigate to your desired project and access the worksheet where you wish to start synchronizing your axes. Ensuring you have access to your project beforehand will save time. Now select the two worksheets that you intend to sync the axes for. It's essential that you have both worksheets open side by side so you can easily toggle between them during this process. Once you've got them both up, the next step is to create a dashboard that contains these sheets. A dashboard acts like a control panel of your visualization and will help unify the views you are creating. Once your dashboard is set up, go back to one of the sheets you're working with. Here, you'll need to create a calculated field. To do this, locate the menu that allows you to add a new field and give it an appropriate name based on what you're visualizing. After naming it, craft your query for the calculated field and click OK to save it. This step is crucial as it sets up the synchronization. Next, drag the newly created calculated field over to the detail section of your worksheet. This action will prepare your sheet for a reference line, which is vital for axis synchronization. Now right-click on one of the axes you wish to sync and choose the option to Add Reference Line. In the menu that appears, choose the axis reference and switch it to maximum, then confirm with OK. You've now established a reference for that axis. It's time to switch over to the other sheet. Follow the same steps, drag the calculated field to its detail, and add a reference line for the axis, remembering to select maximum again. This consistent setup ensures your axes are aligned. Finally, go back to your dashboard to refine your axis. Click on the axis to edit its settings. You'll want to set both the label and line options to none, thereby creating a clean and uniform look across the sheets. Do this for both sheets to complete the process. With these steps complete, you've successfully synced axes across your worksheets in Tableau. This synchronization will enhance the clarity and professionalism of your dashboards, providing a seamless viewing experience for your audience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.